FormTitan video, and in this video we'll show you how the SCA authentication with Stripe integrates, the Strong Customer Authentication with Stripe, and how to enable it. So what I've done is I've set up full name, email, price. This is what I'm going to be using to record my pricing per product. You may have one for yourself. Got address, and then I've got the Stripe element. I haven't configured anything, I've just dragged it across. Once you've got all of that ready, click on your Stripe and then click to configure. Here you can choose your currency, your payment mode. I'm just going to use single payment for now. You'll need to click next, and then here you choose your product field. For me, this is going to be the price field. And then click next, and here I'm just going to select Stripe. You will need to add your private and your public API. You can add description, and then you need to check use SCA. Once you've done that, you need to set up your variables. For mine, it's the price here. And then your owner info variables are like this. You can select your address. I've got the address element, my email element, my full name element, and optional. If you're using ideal only, then you can use phone to Stripe as well. You need to configure all of that, and once you've configured it, then you're good to go. And I'm going to explain how this works in another form where I've actually got this configured, because I don't want to display my API keys here. So this is how it looks like if it's all set up. And then if I go into a preview, you'll see that if I add the card number here, for example, 4,000 0027 6000 3184, and I'll add expiry date 27, CVC can be 123, and then let's add some address here. We'll try and add a random, there you go, and add a random address, 28, and then I'll just fill in some details here. Joe, blogs, email joe@ft.com, price is going to be 20, okay, and then if you click submit, what you'll find is the payment integration will come up like this, where it will say, and obviously depending on your bank, it will bring up its own 3D secure SCA page here for you. So whatever the bank is, it will come up here like this. And what you need to do is complete the authentication. You can fail the authentication or you can complete it. In my case, I'll complete it, and the form will be submitted as well as the payment, and you should receive an invoice as well. So that's how it's done. That's how you enable Strong Customer Authentication with Stripe.